Hey everyone, Mark here at Hyundai. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. Wow, we've got a special one today, 2020 Hyundai Sonata, redesigned for 2020. This is the preferred model. Boy, you preferably get a ton of features in this vehicle. Let's do a quick walk around it on this vehicle. You can see how gorgeous it is with the redesign. That nice slick back end to it, and check out the back. Wow, that's pretty. It is such a sharp car. I love the lines, the spoiler, the built-in spoiler on the trunk. It looks awesome. So then I've gone ahead and purchased some pre-owned ones because I think there's a lot of value with this vehicle. So as we can see, lots of chrome around the windows. You've got turn signal indicators on the mirrors. You've got nice alloy wheels. Tons of nice things on this vehicle. Nice beefy grille. I love the slope, how it comes down. Very aerodynamic. You got a metallic paint. Look at the shine in that paint. Everything's in really nice shape, which is to be expected for a 2020. See the hood, roof, trunk, which I'll show you very shortly. So you hold your trunk button down. Good sized trunk, mats are back there. You've got you got folding rear seats. So you're doing a little project at home, you can fold those seats flat, get a little bit additional cargo space, but it is a massive trunk. Good sized trunk, which is to be expected on a full size sedan. This to me is one of the nicer full size sedans out there. Have a look at one if you haven't already. Nice cloth seats. You got a little insert here to make it a little different. Carpets are all in good shape. You got a plug-in back here, which is great for the kids. Power windows. You got proximity key. So if now I've locked the doors, I've unlocked the door. So again, you can leave the keys in your purse, in your pants, in your pocket, in your book bag, anywhere you have it. As long as it's near you, it will open the doors. What else you got? You got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You've got locking rear windows as well, so you can keep the kids safe. You've got an adjustable driver's seat. You can raise it up, move the back, forward, up, down, left, right, center. It can do anything you want it to do. So I'm going to jump in real quick. All right, let's have a look at the Sonata. Push button start. So some of the additional features, you can adjust your interior illumination, you can open your rear trunk, you got traction control, you've got electric parking brake, and you have adaptive cruise control. So some nice features there. Just going to turn the air on a little bit. Woo. So as you already know, it has air conditioning. Great feature, especially in the summer. So you got a nice leather wrapped steering wheel here. You got your Bluetooth hands-free calling right here, voice recognition on the other side. You got your cruise control. Here's your adaptive cruise. You also can drive it in couple different modes, so you can toggle through and check that out. You can also change some of the settings to personalize the vehicle to your specifications. In the middle here, you've got drive modes. So I can drive it in custom, sport, normal, smart mode. Again, this is all based on preference, so we encourage you to try them out, see which one best suits your needs. You've got a really cool shifter right here, park, reverse, neutral drive. So again, really easy to use, just keep your foot on the brake. Nice feature, kind of gets the lever out of the way, makes it really fluidic, I'll call it. You got all your auxiliaries inputs down there. Your temperature controls, you got front rear defrost, you got 3-stage heated seats on both sides, you've got a heated steering wheel. So again, no expense spared, tons of standard features. And if we move up, this massive camera, or touchscreen, backup camera, all built in, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all built in the vehicle. So plug your Apple phone and your Android phone, have access to navigation, real-time traffic reports, all your apps, your music, pictures. Hey, you're parked, you want to look at some pictures? Boom, right there. So again, lots of standard features. Sonata, great value for the money. Whoa! Maybe you should put it in park before I get out. There we go. Put the car in park. I got it in sport mode because that's the way I like to drive it. Look at all the speakers, the little personalized touch. You got speakers there. I mean, really nice vehicle, which is to be expected for a 2020. I think you're gonna love this vehicle. So again, 2020 Hyundai Sonata, only here in the virtual showroom. Call, text, or email. So if you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle at Seaway Hyundai, we'd be happy to help. You can also set an appointment or come visit us today and shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com.